In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to WebTrader in MetaTrader5. We'll go through the full process together so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your trading account through the web version of MetaTrader5 without installing any extra software. First, make sure you have MetaTrader5 open in your browser or on your computer, and that you have your trading account details ready. You'll typically need your login or account number, your password, and the server name provided by your broker. To begin, look toward the top left corner of the MetaTrader5 interface and find the File menu. Go ahead and click on File. This is where most of the key account actions are located. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option that says Log into WebTrader. Click on that. This tells MetaTrader that you want to access the web-based trading platform, rather than logging in only through the desktop terminal. After you click Log in to WebTrader, a login window or new browser tab will open. Here, you'll see fields where you need to fill in your details. Carefully enter your trading account login or account number exactly as given by your broker. Then type in your password, making sure there are no extra spaces and that your caps lock key is not accidentally turned on. If there is a field to choose a server, select the correct trading server from the list. This is usually specified in the account information you received from your broker. Choosing the wrong server is a common reason why logins fail, so double check this if you run into any issues. Once your details are filled in, follow the on-screen prompts. This might mean clicking a login or sign in button, confirming any security checks, or allowing the platform to remember your login if you're on a private computer. Just move through each step slowly and read everything carefully before you click. If the login is successful, you'll be taken straight into the MetaTrader5 Web Trader interface, where you can see your charts, market watch, and account information. From here, you're ready to start monitoring markets and placing trades right in your browser. If you ever have trouble logging in, go back through these same steps, confirm your details, and follow the prompts again. With a bit of